Hi, welcome to today's class. Today we'll discuss about the topic quality and quality control. In the quality and quality control, there is a topic, small topic which is called inspection. Okay, so before explaining what is quality and quality control, today we'll see what is inspection, what is the purpose of inspection, what are the types of inspection. Okay, so today's our topic is inspection. आज हम inspection का बारे में discussion करेंगे. This is also a very familiar word. आप सब जानते हैं. So what is inspection? Inspection क्या होता है? Inspection means it is a tool used to confirm the standardicity, standard specifications, nomenclatures, quality of work and workmanship. It's a tool used to ensure or to measure. It's a measurement tool. तो इंस्पेक्शन इसलिए होती है कोई भी काम हो हमारा कोई भी प्रोडक्शन हो है वट एवर में भी उसको कुछ स्टैंडर्ड होते हैं स्पेसिफिकेशन होता है तो स्टैंडर्ड इज प्रीसेट सो वह स्टैंडर्ड को कंफर्मेशन होता है कि नहीं प्रॉपर स्टैंडर्ड में द रिक्वायर्ड स्पेसिफिकेशन में है कि नहीं ये चेक करने के लिए हम इंस्पेक्शन करता है so it is a mechanical inspection or a manual inspection automatic inspection different types of inspections are there okay or you can say it is a co-start of controlling the product quality after comparison with the established standards and specifications so we are setting the standard and specification before a work starts or before any production starts, before any systematic procedure starts. So whether we are reaching to that position, हम उस वहाँ तक हमारा जो एम है वहाँ तक हम पहुँच रहे हैं कि नहीं वो चेक करने के लिए इंस्पेक्शन होता है. Okay, or we can say it is a function of quality control. So quality control we will discuss later. Okay, so we'll see, or we can say it is an indispensable tool of modern manufacturing process. Quality is a very important factor in our modern scenario. Our current situation में quality आप सब जानते हैं. So products are there. So many products are there available in the market. So people go for the quality and two things they see. One is quality, one is the cost. Within a small cost, a low cost, how much quality, how best we can get. So people are going because there are options. सबका सामने options है. Suppose a soap is साबुन. साबुन अलग अलग टाइप का डिफरेंट स्मेल का डिफरेंट क्वालिटी का डिफरेंट साइज का डिफरेंट प्राइस का सोप्स मार्केट में है. So before we purchase, we see how best it is or how it is suitable to our for the particular price. Cost का कितना उसका value रहता है. Same with service. Okay, even our education, how we are selecting the colleges. We are looking for good colleges. हमारा एजुकेशन के लिए कहाँ आपको अच्छा एजुकेशन मिलेगा कहाँ पर आपका सक्सेस रेट ज़्यादा है सो ये सब द नॉर्मल पीपल दे वांट टू सी they are seeing all these things so inspection is required to ensure that quality is there okay see if it is a product if it is a bad quality if the product is not sold out so that is a loss of money, wastage of money and wastage of materials. So in order to avoid all these things, ये सब हमको control करना है, prevent करना है, इसके लिए inspection का जरूरत है. Okay. So objectives of inspection. इसका और inspection का objectives one by one we'll see. It's a collect information regarding the performance of the product. with established standard. So inspection का मतलब है एक प्रोडक्ट हम मेजर करता है उसका स्टैंडर्ड चेक करता क्वालिटी चेक करता है एंड वी आर कलेक्टिंग ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड वी आर सीइंग ये इंफॉर्मेशन या इसका जो डाटा है दैट इज suitable matching with the set goal. Okay, that is number one. Number two, to sort out good quality material and poor quality. आप देखा होगा बाटा शू दे आर मेकिंग द चप्पल शू एंड ऑल सो आफ्टर दिस प्रोडक्शन दे आर सेग्रीगेटिंग अलग अलग करता है अच्छा क्वालिटी वन क्वालिटी टू लाइक दिस दे आर मार्किंग द क्वालिटी okay sometimes bad workmanship quality of the due to the quality of raw materials so quality may be reduced so bata jaise branded company they will not sell good quality shoes chappals mixed with poor quality chappals so they alag karte hain okay why it is required they want to maintain their reputation so we are going for branded item हम सब branded item का पीछे हैं क्यों so it gives a minimum guarantee होती है okay so branded companies they do not want to lose the good name what they earned so far इसको होता है reputation so reputation नीचे करना नहीं चाहता है उनका प्रोडक्शन का अपना जो नाम कमाया उसको bad effect होगा So they want to segregate good quality. Sometimes आप देख सकते हैं बाटा शॉप में जाओगे तो एक ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स बाहर रखा होगा विथ अ चीप प्राइस ओके दैट इज सम स्मॉल एरर पुअर वर्कमैनशिप स्टिचिंग प्रॉब्लम या कोई पेंटिंग गया है पॉलिश गया है रफ हो गया उसका ऐसा अलग करते हैं दे विल नॉट मिक्स अप विथ गुड क्वालिटी मटेरियल इसके लिए इंस्पेक्शन चाहिए तो इंस्पेक्ट करना है ओके देन डिटेक्ट सोर्स ऑफ वीकनेस एंड फेलियर ये खराब होने का कारण क्या है आपका प्रोडक्ट खराब कैसे हुआ है आपका ट्रेनिंग कैसे फेल हो गया इसका प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर है वो आपको पिन पॉइंट करना है ओके सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉज फॉर द फेलियर सो फॉर दैट आल्सो योर इंस्पेक्शन इज रिक्वायर्ड ओके तो इसका अलावा बहुत पर्पस भी होता है देयर आर सो मेनी पर्पसेस ऑफ इंस्पेक्शन ओके समथिंग इट इज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस डिस्टिंग्विश गुड लोड्स फ्रॉम द बैड लोड्स अलग अच्छा चीज कौन सा है बड़ा चीज कौन सा है क्लास में स्मार्ट स्टूडेंट्स कौन कौन है थोड़ा वीकर सेक्शन कौन कौन है तो अलग अलग करना है आगे हमको एक्शन लेना है फॉलो अप एक्शन करने के लिए ये अलग अलग कर सेग्रीगेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड okay so to distinguish good pieces from the bad piece same thing okay then the process if it is a process factory we have to determine if the process is changing or not अब स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर होता है कोई भी प्रोडक्शन होते हैं उसका स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर होता है स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर हम डिविएट कर रहा है नहीं है ये हमको चेक करना है बिकॉज द प्रोसेस इफ यू deviate from the standard operating procedure ultimately the product is going to be of bad shape okay so and that one the next one to determine if the process is approaching the specification limit I told that there is a specification okay suppose आप concrete block बना रहा है concrete block का कितना लोड bear कर सकता है कितना लोड how much load it can take okay so that specification मान लीजिए आपको 300 किलोग्राम weight it can sustain so that is the specification of that suppose you are making one what you call as some furniture table okay so already that if you are making number of computer tables for example so already its size dimensions everything is set if you are making 10 computer table of 1.5 meter table, then some computers are 1.4 meter. That means you are deviating it from the specification. ये नहीं होना चाहिए आपको इंस्पेक्शन का जरूरत है Okay, to rate the quality of product. What is the rating? we can see the rubber products are there, rubber latexes are there. Well, they are selling class 1 rubber, class 2 rubber, class 3 rubber. Okay, like this, each bricks, class 1 bricks are there, class 2 bricks are there. It's a rating. As per the quality rating करना है. So quality आपको पक्का measurement करना है. As per the quality already you have made, you have produced the bricks. You cannot throw away. So आपको क्या करना है? आपको quality का अनुसार class 1, class 2, class 1 is having good price. You can sell it for good price. Class 2 little cheaper. Class 3 cheapest. Like that you can reduce the price also as per the quality. So for that segregation, you require the inspection. Okay. Next is to rate the accuracy of inspectors. तो जो इंस्पेक्ट कर रहा है इसको इंस्पेक्टर बोलता है. So inspector should be competent. Inspector should be having higher standard of than the normal worker. So by the inspection, we can see the accuracy of inspector also, the ability of the inspector also. Okay, then we are using some measuring instrument, tools, standard tools we are using. So we can check the precision of the particular measuring instrument. आपका measuring instrument का कितना precise है? जब आप कुछ standard tools use कर रहे हैं measure करने के लिए, अगर आपका standard tool खराब है, if you are having a voltmeter of standard, it is calibrated one, with the voltmeter you can check other voltmeter. But if your standard, the model voltmeter is itself is not correct, then what is the use? You are going to do the wrong assessment of other meters. To avoid that, so precision of measuring instrument, ability or the accuracy of the inspector, both are very important. Okay, then to measure the process capability, आपका कितना प्रोसेस कर सकता है, नहीं कर सकता, ऑलरेडी गोल सेट किया है, तो वहां तक हम पहुंचने में हमारा whether we are able or not. So all these things we can ascertain. That is the purpose of carrying an inspection. Okay. So what is inspection? This is a measuring tool. Whether the products are conforming to the specification, whether the process are as per standard procedure. Okay. All these things can be confirmed or ensured or measured by using the tool of inspection. Okay. Okay, next the stages of inspection. आप कब कर सकता है inspection? Stages. Okay, so मान लीजिए एक फैक्ट्री है, फैक्ट्री में आपका raw materials आता है, that is a starting point. Okay, then इसका processing होता है. Suppose you are making pods or some products. Rubber latex is the incoming material, raw material we can say. So इसको प्रोसेस करके हम रबर से कुछ आइटम बनाता है, ग्लव्स बनाता है, बलून बनाता है, रबर बैंड बनाता है. So रॉ मटेरियल को गुड्स बनाना है. So raw material is one part, that process, production process is second part, and the finished good is the third part. So it takes time, it consumes the time also. So you can carry out the inspection at 3 stages, that are एक तो incoming materials. अब जो material आप सब, we know that if the raw material is bad, obviously the output will be bad. There's no doubt that. Okay, you are bringing the clay, mitti, as an incoming material to make the pot. अगर आप मिट्टी खराब है, आपका product pot भी खराब हो सकता है. So we can carry out an inspection at that first stage itself. Incoming material हम inspect कर सकता है. Second one, inspection during the process. तो आपको clay को पानी डालना है, mix करना है, soft करना है, mold करना है, mold करके आपको dry करना है. That is the production process. So that production process का हर stage में during production you can do the inspection. The third one is after the raw material is converted into finished good, After that, the finished good ka quality, whether the designed quality, yeah, specified quality is reached or not. That also we can check. Okay, this is not only in a factory, in any system. In education system, the inspection of incoming material. What is incoming material? The 10th class, in an ITI, we can say 10th class students, 10th class students are the raw materials. Teaching, education, training, that is the production process. And you are producing the skilled workers, that is your finished good. Okay, so everywhere you can see all these three stages. Okay, so incoming materials we are checking at two places. One is manufacturer's end, second one is the supplier's end. Okay, if the item raw material is in a bulk quantity, okay, suppose 10 truck loads of clay आप लेके आ रहे हैं, तो क्ले जहां पे डिगिंग करता है, मैन्युफैक्चर करता है, वहां जाके आप इंस्पेक्ट करेगा, यू कैन सेव द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट. अदरवाइज आप इतना सारे आइटम्स आपका फैक्ट्री में ले आके फैक्ट्री में आप चेक कर रहे हैं, इफ यू फाउंड इट इज नॉट गुड, नॉट एज पर द स्टैंडर्ड स्पेसिफिकेशन, क्वालिटी इज बैड, देन आपको वापस करना है, रिटर्न करना है. सो दैट इज द वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी. सो बल्क क्वांटिटी को मैन्युफैक्चर एंड में वहां आप इंस्पेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, अदरवाइज इफ इट इज अ स्मॉल आइटम्स एंड ऑल, यू कैन ब्रिंग इट हियर इन द फैक्ट्री, देन यू कैन चेक. Okay, for any course normally we do a pre-training test for any course. So we want to know whether these your students are capable of undergoing the training. आपका ये ITI ट्रेनिंग के लिए आपके बच्चे, आपके स्टूडेंट्स कैपेबल है, एलिजिबल है, ये चेक करने के लिए आप उनका मार्क्स चेक करता है, मैट्रिकुलेशन में कितना मार्क मिला है, परसेंटेज मिला. उसके बाद भी आप थोड़ा उनका एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट कंडक्ट करते हैं आफ्टर कमिंग टू द ITI, देन यू कैन असेस द स्टूडेंट. So that is called inspection of incoming materials. Okay, so that is the one. Second one is during process. During the process, it is a process, it is a time consuming process. During the training, during the production of your soap piece, during the production of your batteries. Okay, so both production and inspection are going on simultaneously. दोनों एक ही साथ होता है. Okay, what is the specialty of this type of process? What is the advantage you can say? You can prevent the wastage of time and money, because then and there, उसी टाइम जो प्रोसेस का टाइम है, हम उसको असेस करता है. अगर हम सोच रहे हैं चलो चलने दो, और उसके बाद सब प्रोडक्शन होने के बाद प्रोडक्ट हम चेक करेंगे, सो आपका टाइम, अगर आप इफ यू फाइंड इट इज रॉन्ग, इट इज बैड, सो आपका टाइम भी वेस्ट हो गया, आपका मटेरियल भी वेस्ट हो गया. अगर वो बनाते समय प्रोडक्शन का टाइम में आप चेक कर रहे हो, उसी टाइम में आपको एक्सेप्ट और रिजेक्ट कर सकता है, या कुछ इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए तो आप सजेस्ट कर सकता है. दैट इज द advantage of inspection during the production process. Even in our training time also, we are conducting monthly tests before conducting the yearly test, final test. Class test we are conducting. We are giving lot of assignments. We are giving lot of exercises. Why we want to give? We want to get a feedback whether the training process is going as per the procedure, as per the standard laid out procedure, etc. Whether the trainees are getting trained or not. Whether we want to assess that whether they can pass the final exam or not. Whether they can become a skilled worker or not. So during the training period itself, we are checking, and the process, what is the action follow to check the or to improve the things. Well, we can reach to a point. Okay, that is advantage. Third one is the inspection of finished good. So normally, when the products are out, it will be packed before packing the quality of the product, because goods are going to the consumer's hand. Okay, you are owning a branded company, and your products, before dispatching to the consumers, uh, customers, uh, we have to ensure the products are okay. Chandrika soap, it is there. So it should not be last month we have sent Chandrika soap to the market with certain qualities. This month we are sending the Chandrika soap with some other substandard quality. Should not happen. So after the goods are ready for dispatching, before dispatching, we should to ensure we have to carry out the inspection whether the product is conforming to the standards. Okay, so this is the one we call it as inspection of finished goods. Okay, okay. So these are the three stages. Now, what are the ways of doing inspection? हम इसका तरीका कैसे हम इंस्पेक्ट करेंगे? So depends upon the methods of inspection. We can categorize them as floor inspection, number one. Number two, centralized inspection. And third one, both combined, mixed, combined inspection. Okay, now let us see what is the floor inspection. I told during process, inspection during the process. So this is called floor inspection. Okay, so checking the material in process, checking the machine, checking the production method, checking the production time by the patrolling inspector. Inspectors क्या करता है? प्रोसेस का टाइम है पैरेलली एक रो फ्रंट रो क्या करता है? प्रोसेस करता है. There may be laborers, workers, there may be supervisors, overseers, engineers. Behind them, there will be one group which is called inspectors. So इंस्पेक्टर का काम है ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेस इटसेल्फ फ्लोर पे फैक्ट्री में हो तो ड्यूरिंग प्रोसेस इटसेल्फ उसका प्रोडक्शन चेक करना है. ओके, साबुन बना रहे हैं, सोप बना रहे हैं, बनाते समय एक साबुन निकालेगा, साबुन का उसी समय उधर डायमेंशन, क्वालिटी, ये सब चेक करेगा. ईट बना रहे हैं, ब्रिक्स बना रहे हैं, इसका कुछ स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी होते हैं. Bricks are checked by dipping the bricks in the water for 24 hours. Then we see amount of water which can absorb, can be absorbed by the bricks. आप ईट पानी में डाल के रखिएगा, तो पानी से कितना पानी अंदर जाता है? बहुत कम पानी अंदर जाना चाहिए. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है तो पानी का जो अब्सॉर्प्शन है वो सबसे कम होना चाहिए. और नॉकिंग करके इसका साउंड चेक करता है. ब्रिक्स अगर आप प्रॉपरली बनाया, सॉलिड बनाया, पक्का इसको यूनिफॉर्मली इसको ड्राई किया, बर्न किया, देन इसको नॉकिंग करेगा तो रिंगिंग साउंड आना चाहिए. So these are some examples I am taking. Like this, some process are there. See, when the product is going on, that time itself inspectors can check. So how the product become bad? There are so many reasons. Operator, number one, the person who is doing the work, काम कर रहा है, जो काम कर रहा है, or if he is inefficient, incompetent, unskilled, then it is going to affect your product. If there is an error in the machine, nowadays automatic machines are there. Even if it is an automatic machine, electronics machine also, some error may come. That error, someone is a cutting, lathe machine. Okay, if the thread or what you say that chunky is loose, it will deviate from the specification. So that will affect the dimension of the product. But like this man error and machine error. ये error आपको machine error है, for example machine error है. So after making the goods, if you are inspecting, there is no use. You cannot find out whether the problem is with poor workmanship or with the machine. Okay, so this can be checked, this can be rectified then and there. उसी टाइम में प्रोडक्शन का टाइम में आपको ये सब चेक कर सकते हैं. That is the main advantage of floor inspection. Okay, and number two is it is a time saving process. प्रोडक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन, एक जगह पे एक टाइम पे प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, साथ साथ उसका इंस्पेक्शन भी चल रहा है. तो इंस्पेक्शन के लिए सेपरेट टाइम का जरूरत नहीं है. एंड अलग प्लेस, आपको इंस्पेक्शन के लिए अलग प्लेस का जरूरत नहीं चाहिए. ओके, सो यू कैन डू इंस्पेक्शन एज वेल एज द प्रोडक्शन. ओके, simultaneously. Okay, but the inspector should be highly skilled. Okay, so there are advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so this we can say man behind the machine are the workers, the inspectors, the man behind the workers are the inspectors. Okay, so it minimizes the material handling, does not disrupt the line layout of machinery, and quickly locate the defect and readily offers field and correction. आपको मटेरियल हैंडल करने के लिए टाइमिंग ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए और आपका जो प्रोसेस को डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होती है. कंटिन्यू, इट विल बी ए कंटिन्यूअस फ्लो. अदरवाइज मान लीजिए आप एक इंस्पेक्शन एरिया बनाया तो आप पहले प्रोडक्शन करेगा या प्रोसेस में बीच में आप स्टॉप करेगा, डिस्पैच करेगा टू द इंस्पेक्शन बे, इंस्पेक्शन बे में आप चेक करेगा, फिर यहाँ से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करके वापस जाएगा. सो इट इज अ टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस, सो कॉस्ट आल्सो विल बी इंक्रीज. ओके, सो दिस आर द एडवांटेजेस वी कैन से ऑफ फ्लोर inspection. Okay, encourage cooperation of inspector and foreman. There will be a coordination between the foreman, the supervisor, and the inspector. Okay, inspector can, but there's the other side also. There may be some tension between inspector and foreman because of ego problem. Okay, foreman thinks that I am the technical man. मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा इसका नॉलेज है. इंस्पेक्टर को होता है मेरे को इसको रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए बोलने के लिए. इंस्पेक्टर सोचता है आई एम द इंस्पेक्टर. ओके, मेरा काम है इंस्पेक्ट करना है. Okay, so I am above the foreman. So there may be a tussle between them. Otherwise, there will be a good cooperation. If there is a good cooperation between inspector and fire foreman, the production process will be smooth as well as the inspection process. So that will be ultimately advantages benefited to the entire system. Okay, so random checking may be more successful than the batch checking. What is random checking? There is no systematic or a sequential order. One can be checked here, the other one can be checked from some other places. That is called random checking. Okay, so that will be more. See, nowadays COVID is there. Random checking is going on. Okay, people will be tested randomly. Okay, so in this way, we can easily find out how deeply the coronavirus has affected the society. So that is random checking. This is possible in the flow. Okay, does not delay in production. I already told production चल रहा है, साथ साथ inspection भी चल रहा है. तो आप प्रोडक्शन इंस्पेक्शन के लिए अलग टाइम नहीं रखा है. So आपका टाइम सेव होता है, एक्सपेंस कम होता है. Okay. And inspector can suggest something. If he is an efficient person, he can see whether the problem with the machine or with the problem with the man. He, of course, he will be the expert. Okay, so he can do some recommendation, can do some suggestion to improve the quality. So one disadvantage I told, there will be some quarreling, fighting, ego problem between inspector and foreman. Number one. Number two, most of the factory it will be a noisy atmosphere. It is something production is going on, heavy noise will be there, so many things will be there. So in बीच में आप इंस्पेक्ट करेगा तो आपका इंस्पेक्शन sometimes इंस्पेक्शन का क्वालिटी को अफेक्ट करेगा. इंस्पेक्शन ठीक से नहीं हो पाएगा. That is another problem. Okay, so many safety things are there. You may bypass the safety things. So it will be hazardous. There will be hazardous situation. Okay, so possibility of biased inspection because of worker. जो वर्कर है या फोरमैन है, समटाइम्स वो आपको थ्रेटन करेगा, आप कौन होते हैं इंस्पेक्शन, नहीं तो इंस्पेक्शन को पास करो, नहीं तो मैं ऐसे करूंगा। समटाइम्स आपको ड्राइव करेगा इंस्पेक्टर को, आपको कुछ उसको पास करने के लिए प्रेशर कर देगा। Okay, so there will be a pressure mounted on himself because inspector and the worker are face to face. There is no separate place for inspection. Okay, so all these things can be happened. Okay, so time आपको कम चाहिए, लेकिन क्वालिटी भी इंस्पेक्शन का क्वालिटी समटाइम्स इट मे बिकॉज इट इज इन द फैक्ट्री सिचुएशन एटमोस्फियर, द इंस्पेक्शन शुड बी ए सेपरेट प्लेस फॉर in separate time, so a 100% a perfect inspection can be carried out. This is not possible in the floor inspection. Okay, so centralized inspection. What is called centralized? Centralized means all the inspection will be carried out in a particular place. Okay, every stage wherever inspection is required in a production line process, after that process is over, that will be dispatched to the inspection bay. आपको इंस्पेक्शन के लिए अलग जगह रखा है। तो मान लीजिए एक प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस बैटरी का है, बैटरी प्रोडक्शन होते हैं, बैटरी का आपको प्लास्टिक या रबर से उसका केस मोल्ड करना है एक जगह पे, सेकेंड प्लेस पे आपको पॉजिटिव प्लेट नेगेटिव प्लेट कट करना है, थर्ड प्लेस आपको इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बनाना है, फोर्थ प्लेस ये सब असेंबलिंग होता है, फिफ्थ प्लेस उसका टेस्टिंग होता है, सिक्स्थ प्लेस उसका चार्जिंग डिस्चार्जिंग प्रोसेस होती है, सेवेंथ लास्ट साइड इसको पैकिंग होती है। सो देयर आर सो मेनी स्टेजेस। तो आपको बैटरी का मोल्ड बनाया, केस बनाया, all the molds cases will be dispatched to inspection bay. So inspection bay inspectors are sitting in separate room, separate bay. So materials are or your products are dispatched to them. So they will take their own time. Okay, and they will do the carrier checking. So after cutting the positive plate, negative plate, all the plates will be coming to the inspection bay, that will be checked. Like this, wherever the inspection is required, at that stage the materials will be dispatched to the centralized inspection bay. So this is called centralized inspection. Okay, advantage, better quality checkup. You are away from the production atmosphere, calm and quiet, शांति में आपको अपना काम कर सकता है. So you can do the inspection in a very calm and quiet environment. Close supervision. Okay, so your job is only to do the inspection, to check the quality. You need not worry whether the production is going on or not, what is that sound is coming, which side is a problem, nothing. So you can have your full concentration to the inspection. Third one, absence of workers pressure. You are not going to see the workers who are working, they are producing all these things. So आपको कोई pressure नहीं रहेगा, you are a free man. आपको free में, without any biasing you can do it. Okay, orderly production flow and low inspection cost. So here you need not to run around. आपको यहाँ से वहाँ जाना है, वहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, like floor inspection. आपको एक जगह पे बैठ के करना है, तो आपका इसका inspection cost भी कम होता है, and in an orderly manner it is going. Okay, so there will be a flow, production flow. In that, every stage there will be a inspection area, so it is in an orderly manner. इसका disadvantage क्या है? Material handling. See, again बैटरी केस आप बनाया, केस को सीधा नेक्स्ट स्टेज में भेजना चाहिए एक्चुअली, सो दैट आपको नेक्स्ट इज आपको कहाँ भेजना है, इसको असेंबलिंग सेक्शन में भेजना है। एक जगह से बैटरी का केस बनाया, दूसरा जगह में आपका बैटरी का प्लेट बनाया है, ये दोनों असेंबल करने के लिए जाना है। लेकिन अभी क्या है, बॉडी बनाने के बाद या केस बनाने के बाद इट विल गो टू it will be transported to inspection bay. So material handling ज़्यादा हो रहा है, यहाँ लेके आना है. Sometimes एक factory इधर है, inspection area maybe 1 kilometer away. So you have to transport the material to the inspection bay, again after inspection back to the factory. So it is material handling problem. Okay, delays of inspection room causes wastage of time. Wastage of time, that is another problem. We all know time is money. जितना फास्ट आप प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं उतना आप मनी का पैसा कमा सकते हैं. ओके, सो इंस्पेक्शन रूम में because of some reason, suppose inspector is not available, the products will be waiting for the inspection or till the inspector comes. So time wastage is a time wastage. It's a breakage of chain system, we can say. Okay, so that may be, so if there's a delay in the inspection, one by one इसका जो product है पीछे पीछे रहेगा. So it will affect up to the initial point. Okay, and work of production control increases. Java controlling होती है, इसको आपको extra member एक separate section handle करना है. So inspection section, उसके लिए आपको work भी ज़्यादा होती है. So due to non-detection of machining error in time, there may be more spoilage of work. You can only, by sitting in a separate place, you can only check the product. You cannot check the machine which is working in the factory. So आपको machine में कुछ error है कैसे पता चलेगा? इसके लिए आपको factory में process के line में रहना चाहिए. So these are the disadvantages of centralized inspection. So both advantages and disadvantages take के आपको एक third different type of inspection है, that is called combined inspection. Some process inspection, floor inspection, and some centralized inspection, so that we can avoid all the disadvantages of both floor and combined, as I mean centralized inspection process. Okay. So whatever the inspection which is essential cannot be done in a separate place, that you can do in the floor. Whatever the inspection you can do which is not affecting the time or wastage of material and etc., that you can do in a centralized place. So you have to segregate, you have to regroup the inspection process, and something you can do in the floor, something you can do in the this one. Okay. So like this combined inspection we can carry. So these are the three methods of inspection: floor inspection, centralized inspection, and combined inspection. Okay, so methods inspection, there are two types mainly. Depends upon the number of items you are checking. One is called 100% inspection, 100% full inspection. Second one is called sampling inspection. You will not check each and every item. So some places 100% inspection is required. Some places sampling inspection is enough to check the quality. Okay. So 100% inspection, it will involve careful inspection. Okay. Like very precise equipment. Okay. Very important items that you cannot do a sampling. 100% inspection means you are checking each and every piece of the product. हर product आप check करते हैं. Okay. So your students, all students have undergo the test. All the students will be assessed. Each and every individual will be assessed separately. That is called 100% inspection. Okay. Example दिया है देखो, production में jet engine, aircraft, medical and scientific equipment, precision equipment. इसका हर एक piece आप check करना चाहिए. So these are the areas where 100% inspection is required. Okay. So we have to ensure the quality of each piece. We cannot go sampling or a batch inspection. Okay, of course there is advantage is there. We are there is 100% foolproof inspection, we can say. Okay, nothing will be left uninspected. Okay, but we require more number of inspectors. We require more time, and accordingly, it is a costly affair. Each and every item, if you are checking, it is a time-consuming process. आपको number of inspectors भी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Okay, but there is no sampling error. Okay, so sampling error नहीं होगा because of any negligence or difficulty of supervision, etc. Okay, so this is possible when the number of products are very less. That's why the example is given aircraft. Aircraft, it will not be in thousands or 1 lakh aircraft will not be there. That is number one. Number two, wherever the 100% accuracy is required, like medical, so ECG machine. ECG machine, you cannot do a batch-wise checking. Each and every piece of ECG machine should be checked, inspected. Okay, otherwise one ECG machine is, one batch is there of 100 pieces. We are checking only one. Sometimes some other pieces may be faulty. So that is going to be applied to some other patient. We giving a wrong error measurement. So that will affect the health life of the patient. So these are the areas where we can go only and we can carry out 100% inspection. That is must. Okay. Sampling inspection, it is just it will be made batches and randomly selected samples will be inspected. If the number of products are in lakhs, in bundles, we cannot check each and every item. ओके आप चावल बना रहे हो, बॉईल कर रहे हो, इसमें से एक पीस या एक दो लेके आप इसका वेदर इट इज बॉइल्ड और नॉट चेक करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं आप हर एक पीस जाके काके चेक करेगा. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Okay, so like this, our soap we are making in lakhs, number of, in a big factory, number of soaps are coming out. So every soap you cannot check. So randomly it will be coming in the as per the batches. So batch randomly select करेगा, उसमें से एक पीस लेके हम सैंपल चेक करेगा. So if that particular soap is found faulty, that particular batch will be discarded. It is not like that the complete product will be discarded. No. Okay. So see, sampling inspection and 100% inspection, some places this is suitable, some places that is suitable. Okay. So judiciously you have to decide which method is suitable. Okay. So it requires less number of inspectors. It requires less time. Okay, but error may be there, defect may be there. It is not a 100% foolproof inspection. Okay, so random sampling inspection, it is not a 100% accurate inspection, we can say. But in order to save the time, in order to say it is, if the item is not so important, if some deviation is permitted, such cases we can go for the sampling inspection in order to reduce the time. आपको time reduce करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. Okay. Okay, inspection is good to ensure the quality and to think about the rectification methods. These are all okay, fine. But inspection, there are some drawbacks also. Inspection is not going to give you any profit. Okay, but inspection is must, to ensure the quality of the products. Okay, so it is a cost affecting factor of the production process, we can say. एक प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में अगर इंस्पेक्शन नहीं होता है, हम सब लेग का ऊपर छोड़ता है, आप उसका कॉस्ट कम होते हैं, आपका प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट इज लेस. बट प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट में इंस्पेक्शन कॉस्ट भी जोड़ता है, इसलिए इसका प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा हो जाती है. Okay, it is partially subjective. Often the inspector has to judge whether the product passes or not. Sometimes there may be some pressure on the inspector. For example, minute deviation. Okay, one example is given here. You are making a product which is having a dimension error of 0.0006 inches. Normally, this is not going to affect much on the quality of the product. मान लीजिए again this is a soap piece. अगर आप 0.0006 इंच कम हो गया, ज्यादा हो गया तो क्या होगा? So there's some confusion whether to pass this or not. As per the SOP, it cannot be passed because there's a deviation. But this is not going to affect the quality of the product much. So, like this, some area of confusion will be coming. So, sometimes the inspector may not be able to take a right decision. That is a problem. Okay, and inspection is a continuous process, and it may lead to fatigue and monotony. Fatigue means tired हो जाता है. अगर इंस्पेक्टर टायर्ड हो गया, इसका इंस्पेक्शन स्टैंडर्ड भी वेरी हो जाएगा. Initially he will check everything. After that, sometimes some instructors, when they are taking the practical examination, initially they will put their full energy to check, to assess, and as the time passes, as the work increases, proceeds, fatigue will affect, and his way of assessment also will be affected. So judgment error may occur due to fatigue. Okay, so that is another thing. So second, after all, inspection means whether to check or to say, to certify whether the good is good or bad, item is good or bad. Inspection doesn't give more ideas how to prevent the fault, how to reduce the fault. So, inspection, that main aim is to inspect whether it is qualified or not. That's all. Okay. So that is another drawback. So time is a factor. Cost is a factor. Okay. Some confusion that is also affecting the inspection. So these are the drawbacks of inspection. Okay, so today we have checked what is called inspection, what are the different types of inspection, what is the purpose and objectives of the inspection, and the drawbacks of the inspection. Okay, so next class we'll see quality, what is quality control, what are the types of quality control. Okay, so as a inspection is a part of quality control. Okay, okay, thank you.